It's a great question because at its core, what is a porn addiction? It's a lack of self-control, right? Like something happens in your life, you feel a certain way, and you can't control yourself, so you need to run to get an outlet. Well, if we could learn to control what we put into our body, into our mouth every single day, knowing that food and nutrition is a fundamental part of living. Like you can't sustain life without food, but you don't need to eat every single day. So I believe that if we can learn to control ourselves with what we put in our mouth, this is why we use fasting in our program, that we can learn that skill set or character trait. And then once again, taking us back to what we talked about earlier, why would a guy fail? Due to lack of a character trait or the inability to do things necessary. So by practicing what you do every single day, by what you put into your mouth, you can quickly build up some of that self-control and confidence in yourself of, oh, I can manage some of these physical triggers. I can manage some of these physical temptations. And what a lot of guys notice is early on in our program, we put you through a 48-hour fast. And this is actually at the point where we cast this vision for your life. So going 2 days without food, you're going to get hungry. You're going to reach a point where you probably feel like you should be eating. Not ravishing hungry, you want to like chew your arm off, but learning to suppress that hunger, you quickly realize like this feeling is going to go away. Then 3-4 weeks later, when some of those triggers for pornography come, you're like, this feels very similar to what I was feeling when I was fasting. Let me use some of these same tools that I did to suppress the hunger pains to suppress the physical urge to go look at pornography.